Hi guys, it's Singer. So today, I wanted to play this game. Well, not really a game, but I thought it would be a good idea. Like, I dressed her up and stuff. So I've been thinking what I should do on a video. So here's the thing. I am going to wear ugly things, or like ugly things, like what I think are not likable. You might like it, but I might not. So let's get into the video. Okay, so is this for me? Ooh. Okay. I don't like this jacket, but okay, let's go. But I do like the shoes. I really want the shoes to stay here. Okay, so we're gonna look at buttons. Okay, some are boys, by the way, just so you know. This is not my kind of look, but okay. Okay, to the next. Okay. Now shoes. I'm scared. Ooh. Are these for boys? I think those are boys. I like all of these shoes a little bit. Okay, so I really don't like that. Okay. Accessories are really I need to. Okay. What about, you can't even see that. Like, wait, turn around, honey. You can't even see that. That doesn't even match. I like the choker, but it doesn't match. Oh. Okay. I like it, but we are not here for liking. We are here for hating. Haha! Okay. I don't think we have to. I don't. Okay. It's not my least favorite. Like, I would wear these kind of, but not really. Okay, now hairstyle. I'm so picky about hairstyles, but okay. Like, that one's alright. Like, you know, that looks kind of like a teacher. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I know. There's talking in the background. Yay! Okay, so I can't believe I used to like this hair. I don't really like it. Oh, does that mean I have? Oh my god, that means I had to wear it. Well, that was good. Okay, but okay, have to wear this one. Wait, no, not that one. I think it was this one. The color matters. Okay, so to the eye. Ooh, I like all of these eyes. Could we just like pick eyes? I'm just gonna pick eyes, you know? Because I like all of them. No, okay. We are done with this outfit. Oh my goodness. This looks so, like, it doesn't look that bad, I guess. I mean, what kind of teacher has that butt? But, okay. This is what the clothes I do not like, and the hair, and that. I really love those eyes. Like, I love all these eyes. I like, oh my gosh, I want to put all of them on. Like, yes. Like, they are so cute. But, yeah, this is the look. Oh my gosh. Let's go on back there. But yeah, this is the look. How do you like it? Should I done the nails? I feel like I should, because I think that's flipping you guys off. You guys are probably like, oh my god, do the nails. I really don't want to do the nails. They look so pretty. Or should I just do this? Yes. Okay, so I feel like, oh yeah, that's ugly. But yeah, this is the end of the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, subscribe, and yeah, bye!